To preview a course in the Alison Publisher tool, click on the Course Preview Generator icon in the Module Tree Manager. Press Confirm to preview the course or Cancel to return to the Module Tree Manager. It usually takes a few seconds for the course preview to generate. Once the course preview is ready, the Course Preview Generator icon becomes unavailable and a new course preview icon appears. Click on this icon to preview the course. This launches a simulation of the published course. The course title and headline description is visible on the top left-hand side. The course summary or description is visible when you scroll down the page. Click on the Outcome link to view what is written in the Learning Outcomes description field. Click on the View Course Modules button to view the modules, topics, and assessments in the course. The number of modules is displayed on top. Beneath this, the course label text is displayed. The module description text and topic titles are displayed by clicking the down arrow at the right-hand side of each module. There is a link to test the assessment when the down arrow is pressed next to the assessment. Click on the Start Topic buttons to test the course in the player. Click the Next button to continue. Use the Previous button to go back. The course preview shows the publisher what the course will be like for the user. If something in the course needs to be changed, right-click on the Back to Module Manager tab at the top of the page. Choose the option Open Link in New tab. This launches the Module Tree Manager in a new browser tab. You can edit the course and make any changes that are necessary. Once you edit the Course Preview Generator icon is visible again. To view any edits you have made, you will need to regenerate the course by clicking on the Course Preview Generator icon again. This will generate an updated version of the course that includes any edits you have made. To view the updated course in the Alison.com simulation, click on the Course Preview icon. This opens the course in simulation mode. You can keep editing and previewing the course until it is ready to be published. This concludes the video tutorial on using the Preview Generator and Preview buttons in the Alison Publisher tool.